The mandarin, also known as tangerine, Citrus reticulata, is one of the most beloved citrus fruits in the world. Small, bright, and aromatic, it carries centuries of cultural, agricultural, and culinary history. From ancient Chinese groves to Mediterranean orchards, this fruit represents more than just sweetness. It embodies human innovation, botanical diversity, and the art of cultivating flavor. Mandarin, Citrus reticulata, commonly referred to as tangerine in many Western countries, is a small, easy-to-peel citrus fruit with a rich history spanning thousands of years. Native to Southeast Asia, particularly China, the mandarin has been cultivated since at least 2500 BCE, where it was prized not only as a food source but also as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. Ancient Chinese texts mention mandarins in royal gardens, and the fruit was often presented as tribute to emperors, demonstrating its cultural and economic significance. Botanically, mandarins belong to the Rutaceae family and are characterized by the bright orange skin, segmented flesh, and aromatic zest. Unlike larger citrus fruits such as oranges or grapefruits, mandarins are typically smaller, sweeter, and less acidic. They possess a thin, loose skin, which makes peeling effortless, a trait that has contributed to the global popularity as a convenient snack. Mandarin trees are evergreen, with glossy, dark green leaves, thorn branches, and fragrant white flowers. These blossoms are not only visually appealing but also serve as a critical source of nectar for bees and other pollinators. The fruit itself exhibits a wide range of flavors and aromas, depending on the cultivar. Varieties like Clementine, Satsuma, and Dancy each have unique sweetness profiles, seed counts, and harvest times. Clementines are known for the deep sweetness and almost seedless nature. Satsumas are prized for the delicate flavor and cold tolerance, while Dancy mandarins have a rich, robust aroma. The chemical composition of mandarins includes high concentrations of vitamin C, flavonoids, carotenoids, essential oils, and dietary fiber. Limonene and other volatile compounds in the peel contribute to the fruit's characteristic fragrance and are often extracted for use in perfumery, flavorings, and aromatherapy. Historically, mandarins spread from China to Japan, then to Europe via trade routes, eventually reaching the Mediterranean, North America, and beyond. By the 19th century, they were a staple in southern European groves and were introduced to Florida and California in the United States. This widespread dissemination led to hybridization, resulting in thousands of cultivars adapted to diverse climates and soils. Mandarin cultivation today emphasizes not only flavor but also disease resistance, yield, and shelf life. Culinary uses are vast. Mandarins are eaten fresh, juiced, candied, incorporated into desserts, salads, sauces, and even savory dishes. The zest is used for flavoring baked goods, beverages, and preserves. In addition to human consumption, mandarin peels are sometimes processed into essential oils, pectin, or animal feed. Traditional medicine in Chinese and other Asian systems utilizes mandarins for digestive support, anti-inflammatory purposes, and respiratory health, highlighting their multifaceted importance. Ecologically, mandarin trees provide shelter and sustenance for numerous species. The flowers attract bees, butterflies, and small birds, while the fruits feed various mammals and birds, promoting seed dispersal. Cultivation practices today range from traditional orchards to high-density modern farms that employ grafting techniques and integrated pest management. These trees demonstrate resilience but are sensitive to cold and frost, which limits the growth to subtropical and tropical climates. From cultural symbolism to botanical complexity, mandarin represents an enduring connection between humans and nature. Its historical significance, diverse cultivars, nutritional richness, and ecological roles make it a fruit worthy of study, celebration, and global appreciation. Every segment, peel, and seed tells a story of centuries of cultivation, adaptation, and culinary creativity, a true testament to the fruit's timeless appeal.